Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are here to learn the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, today we will complete the whole chapter. It is very easy chapter, and it is also very short chapter. Okay, and here we also complete in a short way. So let us start with the trigonometric ratios. Now, what are trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios are ratios of the sides of a right angled triangle. ठीक है, all the trigonometry is based upon only on right angle triangle. So first consider right angle triangle. So here we will consider right angle triangle ABC, or you can take any other right angle triangle. It must be a right angle triangle. Okay, so here we have taken the triangle ABC. Okay, and for angle theta, or we can say angle C. Okay, AB is the side opposite to angle theta, and BC is side adjacent to angle theta. Okay, and our AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so while making the trigonometric ratios, sine theta will be equal to side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Okay, that will be equal to AB upon AC. Cos theta equal to side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse, that will be equal to BC upon AC. Tan theta will be equal to side opposite to angle theta upon side adjacent to angle theta. Okay, that is AB upon BC. Now cosec theta will be equal to 1 by sine theta. Okay, that is hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle theta, that is equal to AC by AB. Sec theta will be equal to 1 by cos theta, that will be equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, that is equal to AC upon BC. And cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta, that will be equal to adjacent side upon opposite side, that will be equal to BC upon AB. So also tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, so these are the 6 trigonometric ratios which are very important in our whole trigonometry. Okay, so you have to learn all the 6 trigonometric ratios to doing this chapter very well. Okay, if one of trigonometric ratios of an acute angle is known, then the remaining trigonometric ratios of the angle can be calculated. और अगर हमारे क्वेश्चन में अगर हमें इन 6 में से कोई एक भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो दे दिया है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम उससे बाकी के सारे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज निकाल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 7/25, देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ सेक थीटा ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस टेन थीटा. ओके, हमें क्या दे दिया, हमें साइन थीटा दे दिया. अब हमें पता है हमारा साइन थीटा क्या होता है. सो लेट्स मेक अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, let us say this triangle. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, साइन थीटा अब हमारा क्या होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल हम ले लेते हैं, ये है हमारा एंगल थीटा. यस, तो साइन थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल थीटा अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. ओके, so side opposite to angle theta is AB. Okay, so AB will be equal to 7x. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये हमारा जो हमारी वैल्यू होगी क्या होगी, सिंप्लीफाइड वैल्यू होगी ना. तो इसका मतलब ये क्या होगा, x का कोफिशिएंट होगा, है ना. यहाँ पे हम x ले लेते हैं. एंड 25 विल बी हाइपोटेनियस. ओके, 25x. Now we have got the two sides of the triangle, so we can find the third side. Okay, so with the help of Pythagoras theorem we will find the third side. Here is the triangle, and angle B is right angle, AB is side opposite to angle theta, AC is hypotenuse. We have mentioned all the things that we have mentioned above in the triangle. Now it is given that sin theta is equal to 7/25. This means sin theta is equal to AB upon AC, that will be equal to 7/25. This implies that AB is equal to 7x and AC is equal to 25x, where x is some positive integer. By applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay, so our BC will be equal to 24x. Now we can find all the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, but here, yes, here we have given that what we have to find. Okay, sec theta ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस टेन थीटा. ठीक है, हमें साइन थीटा दे दिया है तो हम क्या निकालेंगे इससे. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड सेक थीटा. सेक थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनस अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड, दैट इज 24 and tan theta will be equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, that will be equal to 7/24. Therefore sec theta bracket 1 plus tan theta will be equal to 25/24 bracket 1 plus 7/24, that is equal to 775 upon 576. Okay, so here is the answer. I hope you will understand it. If you don't understand it, then pause the video, reverse the video and again watch it. Okay, it's very simple, it is not tough, you will learn it. Okay, now let us study about use trigonometric ratios in solving problems. ठीक है, हमारे जो trigonometric ratios होते हैं उनको problem कैसे solve करते हैं उनसे. Okay, if tan theta is equal to 3/5, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या दिया है, हमें tan थीटा दे दिया है. ठीक है, tan थीटा दे दिया है मीन्स अगर हम ट्राइंगल में मेंशन करें, और हम ले लेते हैं हमारा जैसे कि ये ट्राइंगल है. ओके, इट इज़ ABNC. ठीक है, और ये है हमारा एंगल थीटा. तो हमारा tan थीटा क्या होता है, tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल थीटा, दैट इज AB 3x and upon side adjacent to angle theta. Okay, that is 5x. Okay, so we can find AC by Pythagoras theorem, but here we will solve it in other way. It is given as sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. So take cos theta common from numerator and denominator both. Okay, क्या किया हमने, cos theta को हमने common ले लिया. So what will we get? We will get sin theta upon cos theta plus 1 whole upon sin theta upon cos theta minus 1. ओके, अब इससे हमारी कौन सी चीज़ बन गई, मान लो जो साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा है उसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, उसको हम टैन थीटा भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, तो क्या हो गया, टैन थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन टैन थीटा माइनस 1. अब हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, हमें टैन थीटा ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, हमें निकालना नहीं है, दैट इज़ 3/5. तो हम क्या रखेंगे, टैन थीटा की वैल्यू रख देंगे, दैट इज़ 3/5 प्लस 1 3/5 माइनस 1. ओके, मतलब होल अपॉन में दैट इज़ 3/5 प्लस 1 होल अपॉन 3/5 माइनस 1. So what we will get? We will get the answer minus 4. So the value of sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta is minus 4. Okay, you can also solve it in that way. So you have to find the value of sin theta first and then cos theta and then put the values in the question and then you will get the answer. But it is a little bit easier than that. Okay, so use this method to solve it fast. Now let us see the very main part of this chapter, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Okay, for example अगर हम यहाँ पे एंगल हम यहाँ पे हमने क्यों लिया है, हम यहाँ पे एंगल कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक एंगल थीटा और एंगल A और एंगल B, एंगल C, एंगल P, Q, R और anything else. Okay, here we have taken Q. So साइन थीटा की वैल्यू मीन्स जहाँ हमारा ये जो थीटा है ये हमारे एंगल को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए होता है. ठीक है, सो इफ़ साइन थीटा मीन्स अगर साइन ज़ीरो है हमारा, ठीक है, साइन 0 डिग्री है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, 0. इफ़ साइन हमारा 30 डिग्री है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, 1/2. इफ़ साइन इज़ 45 डिग्री देन इट्स वैल्यू इज़ 1/√2. And if its value is 60 degree then its value is √3/2, and if its value is 90 degree then its value is 1. Okay, now for cos theta, if theta will be equal to 0 means cos 0 degree is equal to 1, cos 30 degree is equal to √3/2, cos 45 degree is equal to 1/√2, cos 60 is equal to 1/2, cos 90 is equal to 0. For tan tan 0 degree is equal to 0, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is equal to 1, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, and tan 90 is equal to not defined. For tan cube, tan 0 degree, yes, we have completed this, yes. For cosec, cosec 0 degree is equal to not defined, cosec 30 degree is equal to 2, cosec 45 degree is equal to under root 2, cos 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3, and cos 90 degree is equal to 1. For sec theta, sec 0 degree is equal to 1, sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3, sec 45 degree is equal to root 2, sec 60 degree is equal to 2, and sec 90 degree is equal to not defined. Okay. For cot theta, cot 0 degree is equal to not defined, cot 30 degree is equal to under root 3, cot 45 degree is equal to 1, cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Okay, so this table is very important for us. We have to learn the whole table. Okay, it is very important for our examination. Many questions come from this part, so please learn this table. Okay, now let's see an example based on this. इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज अ राइट ट्राइंगल डेट बी. ठीक है, हमारा जो ए बी सी है वो कैसा ट्राइंगल है? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. और राइट एंगल कौन से कहाँ पर है? बी पे. एंड ए बी इज इक्वल टू 6 मीटर. ओके, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल दैट इज 1 minute. Yes, that is A, B and C. Right angle at B. Okay, AB is equal to 6 centimeter. That is AB is equal to 6 centimeter. BC is equal to root 12 and BC is equal to under root 12 meter. Sorry, it is not in centimeter, it is also in meter. 6 meter. ठीक है. फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए एंड एंगल सी. अब हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? हमें क्या क्या दे दी? हमें दो साइड्स दे दी. ठीक है, हम थर्ड साइड इसकी निकाल सकते हैं. थर्ड साइड से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम इसके ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज़ निकाल सकते हैं. और ठीक है, बेस्ड ऑन द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज़ वी कैन फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ एंगल ए एंड एंगल सी. ओके, so let's move on and let's see the solution. Here is our triangle. Okay, as we have drawn above, it is given that AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to under root 12, that we can also write in the form of 2 root 3 meter. So tan of angle C. ठीक है, एंगल C की अगर हम बात करें पहले, तो tan एंगल C हमारा कितना होगा? अपोजिट साइड अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड, दैट इज AB अपॉन BC, that is 6 by 2 root 3, that will be equal to root 3 only. Okay, so tan C is equal to tan 60 degree. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा था हमारा tan 60 डिग्री किसके इक्वल होता है? root 3 के इक्वल. ठीक है, सो एंगल C will be equal to 60 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो हमारा एंगल C किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? 60 डिग्री इक्वल हो जाएगा. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus 90 degree plus 60 degree, that is will be equal to 30 डिग्री. अब ये हमने कैसे निकाला? ये हमने निकाला एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से, क्योंकि एक हमारा 90 डिग्री एंगल है. ठीक है, राइट एंगल है. सेकंड हमारा 60 डिग्री है, तो डेफिनेटली हमारा जो थर्ड एंगल होगा वो 30 डिग्री होगा बाय द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, सो here we have found the value of angle C and angle A both. Now let's see an example 2. Evaluate the expression 4 bracket cos cube 60 degree minus sin cube 30 degree plus 3 bracket sin 30 degree minus cos 60 degree. हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है इसमें, हमें बस ये देखना है कि क्या क्या दिया हुआ है. cos 60 डिग्री है, sin 30 डिग्री है, sin 30 डिग्री है, cos 60 डिग्री है. हमें क्या करना है? हमें सिर्फ वैल्यूज़ रख देनी है. ओके, सारी वैल्यूज़ जब हम इसमें पुट कर देंगे एक्सप्रेशन में, तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगी? हमें हमारा सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. Okay, so on putting all the values in the expression, we have got the value of expression is 0. Okay, हमने क्या करा? हमने cos 60 डिग्री की वैल्यू रख दी और उसमें क्या लगा दिया? क्यूब लगा दिया ऊपर नीचे. ठीक है, क्योंकि cos क्यूब 60 डिग्री है एंड साइन क्यूब 30 डिग्री है, तो हमने साइन 30 डिग्री की वैल्यू रखी, दैट इज़ 1/2, एंड क्या लगा दिया, क्यूब लगा दिया। एंड अंदर हमने क्या करा, हमने साइन 30 डिग्री की वैल्यू रखी, दैट इज़ 1/2, एंड कॉस 60 डिग्री की वैल्यू रखी, दैट इज़ 1/2। हमने क्या करा, सबको ब्रैकेट खोला, मल्टीप्लाई करा, ऐड करा, जो भी करना था हमने करा, फिर हमें आंसर में क्या मिला, हमें आंसर मिला 0। ओके, सो हियर वी हैव डन दिस। Now let's see about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. ठीक है, these are also very important. Even nothing is not important in this part. Everything is important. Okay, so you have to learn this chapter very deeply. This chapter is not very easy if you learn it with interest. Okay, I really like this chapter. So let's see what are the 6 trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First is sine 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to sin theta. Okay, here you can see that is the just opposite of each other. Okay, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. They are also just opposite of each other. And cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta, and sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. ओके, वेयर थीटा इज़ एन एक्यूट एंगल। इसमें क्या है, जो हमारे जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाले हैं और राइट हैंड साइड वाले हैं, क्या है, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के एक तरह से हम देखें तो इन्वर्स हैं, हम कह सकते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी एन एग्जाम्पल बेस्ड ऑन दिस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स। दैट इज फर्स्ट इज साइन 28 डिग्री sin 30 degree into sin 30 degree into sin 54 degree into sec 36 डिग्री into sec 60 डिग्री। अब आप पूछेंगे ये क्या है, हमने तो पढ़े हैं सिर्फ साइन 0 डिग्री 30 डिग्री 60 डिग्री 45 डिग्री 90 डिग्री। अब ये कैसे होंगे, ये होंगे इन्हीं वाली कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल वाली प्रॉपर्टी से। ओके, सो sin 28 degree into sin 30 degree into sin 54 degree into sin sec 36 degree and into sec 62 degree. ठीक है, so here sin 28 degree and sec 62 degree. ठीक है, we will take them apart and we will take sin 54 degree and sec 36 degree apart, and we will took sin 30 degree apart. Okay, here sin 28 degree and sec 62 degree are making 90 degree, and sin 54 degree and sec 36 degree are making 90 degree. Okay, so sin 28 degree cosec 90 degree minus 62 degree. Okay, sec 62 degree को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, we can also write it as cosec 90 degree minus 62 degree. Okay, and in the second bracket sin 54 degree and sec 36 degree can be written as cosec 90 minus 36 degree. Okay, and then we will close the bracket and write sin 30 degree as it is. Now it is sin 28 degree and cosec 28 degree and sin 54 degree and cosec 54 degree into sin 30 degree. Now we can also write cosec 28 degree as 1 by sin 28 degree and cos 54 degree as 1 by sin 54 degree. Now on cancelling all the terms, we will have 1 by 2. Okay, so the value of sin 28 degree into sin 30 degree into sin 54 degree sec 36 degree into sec 62 degree will be equal to just 1 by 2. Okay, so here we have to calm down and solve the question with full of our focus. Okay, we have to focus on this part, very important. Okay, focus on this part is very important because it is a little bit different from the other parts. Now let's see example 2. Evaluate the expression. Okay, so let's see what's the expression. 4 root 3 into sin 40 degree into sec 30 degree into sec 50 degree bracket closed plus sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 degree upon sec 31 sec square 31 degree minus cot square 59 degree. So here 4 by root 3 sin 40 degree into sec 30 degree into sec 50 degree plus sine square 34 degree plus sine square 56 degree upon sec square 31 degree minus cot square 59 degree. Okay, so here we can also write sec 30 degree as sine 40 degree. Okay, sorry, yes, here we can take sine 40 degree and sec 50 degree close and sec 30 degree apart. Okay, so we will close sine 40 degree and sec 50 degree in a bracket. Okay, we will close them in a bracket and keep sec 30 degree apart. Now on the other side we have sine square 34 degree. Okay, it is remain same, and sine square 56 degree can be also written as sine square 90 minus 56 degree. Okay, and upon sec square 31 degree minus cot square 59 degree can also be written as tan square 90 minus 59 degree. Okay, one minute, here is a mistake. Yes, here sine should not be here. Here we have to write cos. Okay, cos square, yes, here we have to write cos square. Okay, because cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta and tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, so our expression will look like 4 root 3 bracket sec 30 degree sin into sin 40 degree into cosec 90 degree minus 50. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम किसको sec को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट sec 50 डिग्री एज cosec 90 degree minus 50 degree. Okay, plus sin 34 degree plus cos square 34 degree and sec square 31 degree minus tan square 31 degree. Okay, here it is also sin square. Okay, 1 minute, yes, here is sin square. Okay, so on simplifying the equation, on simplifying the expression, we will have 4 root 3 bracket 2 by root 3 sin 40 into cosec 40 degree plus 1. Okay, so on simplifying the whole, we will have the expression will be equal to 9. Okay, so the value of expression is only 9. Okay, so you have to practice this part a lot because it is a little bit different from the other part, as I have told you. So you have to do practice of these types. You should practice these type of questions from NCERT and from other books also. Now let's see some trigonometric identities. ठीक है, let's see what are that. There are total 3 trigonometric identities in our syllabus, that are cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Okay, सो एग्ज़ाम्स में ज़रूरी नहीं है जो हमारी आइडेंटिटीज़ है वो एज़ इट इज़ लग जाए. ओके, क्वेश्चन में या एग्ज़ाम में भी या बुक में भी हमारे ज़रूरी नहीं है जो हमारी आइडेंटिटीज़ है वो एज़ इट इज़ यूज़ हो. इट मे बी पॉसिबल दैट दे आर इन सम डिफरेंट वे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक आवर फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी. It can also be used as sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Okay, or you can say cos square a will be equal to 1 minus sin square a, and also 1 is equal to sec square a minus tan square a. Okay, so they can also be written in that form. So you have to see that how to use trigonometric identities. Okay, in which way we have to use trigonometric identities. So here let's see an example. It is if cos theta is equal to 5 by 7. Okay, we have here it is given that the cos theta. So let's make our triangle. Yes, let's say PQR this time. Okay, PQR. Okay, it is our right angle and it is our angle theta. So cos theta is equal to 5/7. Now as we know that what is cos theta, cos is equal to side adjacent to angle A, means side adjacent to angle R, or you can say side adjacent to angle theta, that is 5x and upon hypotenuse. ठीक है, hypotenuse कितनी हो जाएगी भाई 7x. Okay, now we can find PQ. Yes, so let's move on and see the solution. Now sin square A plus cos square A sin square थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है, हमारी क्या आइडेंटिटी हमें पता है, sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा हमारा क्या होता है 1. तो हम sin थीटा को कैसे लिख सकते हैं, अंडर रूट 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं, हाँ जी बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं. अब हमें इसमें दिया क्या है, हमें cos थीटा दिया हुआ है. अब हमसे पूछा क्या है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉट थीटा प्लस कॉसेक थीटा. ठीक है, अब हमसे क्या पूछा है, कॉट थीटा प्लस कॉसेक थीटा. यस, so we can also write it sin theta as under root 1 minus 5/7 square, because value of cos theta is 5/7. So we can write cos square theta as 5/7 whole square. So it will be equal to under root 49 minus 25 upon 49, that will be equal to 2 root 6 upon 7. This implies that cosec theta will be equal to 7/2 under root 6, because cosec theta is just 1 by cos theta. Okay, and cot theta will be equal to cos theta upon sin theta, as we have learned above that cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So the value of cot theta will be equal to 5/2 root 6. Okay, now we have to find the value of cot theta plus cosec theta. So on putting all the values in this, we have under root 6. Okay, so the value of cot theta plus cosec theta is under root 6. Now use of trigonometric identities in proving relationship involving trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let's take also this part. Okay, and also see this part. So here is an example. Prove the following identities: tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Okay, we have to prove the following identities. Okay, so here we have LHS is equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Okay, that will be equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta into cot theta. Okay, because tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay, और यहाँ पे हमारा क्या है, यहाँ पे हमारा 2 है, तो 2 को हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं, अगर हम राइट हैंड साइड 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी करना होगा. सो 2 will be equal to 2 into tan theta into cot theta. Now here we have tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Okay, because a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to ab का whole square. Okay, यह आइडेंटिटी पढ़ चुके हैं हम पहले. So here tan theta plus cot theta का whole square हो गया हमारा. ठीक है, अब tan theta को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, sin theta upon cos theta, और cot theta को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, cot theta upon sin theta. So sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta का whole square. Now here we have sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin into cos theta. ठीक है, sin theta into cos theta whole square. So here we have 1 upon sin theta into cos theta का whole square. ठीक है, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta का whole square हो जाएगा हमारा. Now we can also write it as sec theta into cosec theta. ओके, हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, हम इसको sec, क्योंकि हमारा 1 by sin क्या होता है, हमारा sec हो जाता है, एंड 1 by cosec क्या हो जाता है हमारा, 1 by cos क्या होता है, cosec हो जाता है. ओके, सो 1 by sin theta into cos theta whole square can also be written as sec theta into cosec theta whole square. So here we have sec square theta into cosec square theta, that is equal to RHS. So here LHS and RHS become equal, so that we have proved the following identity. Okay, so with this we have completed the whole chapter. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you have any query, then mention in the comment section, and also tell me that how you like the video, and also like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and I will try to upload the video of next chapter as soon as possible. Okay, till then watch all the videos that are available on chapter. I have also uploaded all chapters of class 10 physics and all chapters of class 10 chemistry, and nearly 7 to 8 chapters of maths from our NCERT. So till then watch them and take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.